love luxury motorhomes like this one? Make sure you hit that like button right now.
Subscribe for more incredible RV tours and drop a comment telling us your favorite feature.
Imagine pulling into a campground where every head turns instantly. Today we're exploring the rumored America's $9,800,000 Rolls-Royce Motorhome concept for 2027. Like, subscribe, and comment before we begin because future luxury RV tours get even wilder. Step inside the drive cabin first, because the next space changes everything completely. Large panoramic glass surrounds comfortable seating, premium materials, and refined craftsmanship create an atmosphere closer to an upscale lounge than a traditional motorhome. Every detail encourages conversation without feeling crowded, but wait until the office reveals another surprise hidden in plain sight just ahead where productivity unexpectedly meets rolling luxury. An office area with organized workspace shows this concept values productivity alongside travel. Natural light supports focused tasks, while thoughtful storage reduces clutter. Imagine finishing business before stepping into the smart technology control system that quietly transforms daily living in unexpected ways moments later. Inside here today, together next stop. Instead of flashy promises, integrated controls could centralize lighting, climate, entertainment, and monitoring through streamlined interfaces, depending on final production decisions. Convenience becomes the real luxury because effortless adjustments keep attention on experiences. Stay watching because the kitchen raises expectations even higher without overwhelming everyday travel routines whatsoever. Ahead next. The kitchen emphasizes clean design, generous preparation space, and premium finishes rather than unnecessary excess. It feels welcoming for casual breakfasts or impressive dinners without sacrificing flow. However, the dining area introduces an atmosphere that completely changes how shared meals feel together around every memorable journey across America today onward. The dining area encourages everyone to gather comfortably, making conversations feel just as important as the destination itself. Spacious seating, inviting surroundings, and thoughtful placement create memorable moments. Yet another practical surprise appears immediately afterward inside the dedicated laundry area, waiting for travelers who appreciate convenience every single day ahead. Having a laundry area on board supports longer adventures by reducing constant stops and packing stress. Practical details like this often separate premium motorhomes from ordinary ones. Surprisingly, the next destination focuses less on chores and more on personal wellness inside the gym, where motivation meets mobility every single morning effortlessly. The gym area encourages maintaining healthy routines without leaving the road behind. Whether stretching or completing full workouts, dedicated fitness space adds everyday value beyond luxury alone. Recovery matters equally, and the upcoming massage area explains exactly why viewers keep watching until the very last reveal together with us today. After active mornings, the massage area introduces calm surroundings designed for relaxation and comfort. This balance between movement and recovery reflects thoughtful planning instead of unnecessary extravagance. Families will appreciate what comes next because the kids' playing area steals attention immediately with joyful energy throughout every unforgettable mile ahead together. A dedicated kids' playing area gives younger travelers room to stay entertained during extended trips. Parents can relax knowing everyone has meaningful space designed with comfort in mind. Just wait, because the dressing area demonstrates another layer of organized luxury ahead that many travelers rarely expect inside any motorhome today. The dressing area prioritizes organization with generous storage and convenient access, helping every journey begin smoothly. Instead of searching through bags, everything remains within easy reach. Still, the master bedroom delivers an entirely different feeling that deserves your complete attention next, because comfort reaches another unforgettable level very soon indeed. The master bedroom feels intentionally peaceful, emphasizing restful sleep after unforgettable highway adventures. Carefully selected finishes create a refined atmosphere without overwhelming the senses. Even so, another private space awaits, offering something especially memorable for couples traveling together next, and its purpose might surprise you more than expected today ahead. The romantic couple's private room creates a quieter retreat where meaningful conversations can continue uninterrupted. Privacy becomes another expression of luxury during extended journeys together. Yet the indoor swimming pool completely changes expectations, and the reveal is worth every remaining second of this unforgettable tour right now. Keep watching closely. An indoor swimming pool would immediately separate this concept from ordinary expectations, creating a resort-like atmosphere while traveling. Even if final production details evolve, the vision remains undeniably ambitious. Amazingly, the Club Party Lounge still manages to raise excitement further before the ultimate rooftop finale arrives for everyone watching today. The Club Party Lounge transforms evenings into memorable gatherings, blending entertainment with sophisticated surroundings that encourage celebration. Friends and family could unwind together after incredible road trips. One final destination remains, and it delivers the unforgettable closing moment everyone anticipates with breathtaking views unlike anything before on wheels anywhere else. Finally, the rooftop relaxation area crowns the entire experience with open skies and unforgettable scenery. If this extraordinary concept inspired your imagination, subscribe for upcoming luxury RV explorations, share your favorite feature below, and never miss our next incredible adventure together across America's greatest roads and destinations every single week.